There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Here are some of the most common methods. 1. Advertising revenue. YouTube allows content creators to monetize their videos by displaying ads on their videos. Creators can earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. 2. Channel memberships. Creators can offer exclusive perks to subscribers who pay a monthly fee to join their channel membership program. These perks can include access to exclusive content, merchandise discounts, or personalized shoutouts. 3. Merchandise. Creators can sell merchandise related to their channel, such as t-shirts or stickers, to their fans. Sponsored content. Creators can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content, such as product reviews or brand endorsements, in exchange for payment. 4. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Fans can pay to have their comments highlighted during a live stream or to send animated stickers during a video. Creators earn a portion of the revenue generated from these features. 5. Affiliate marketing. Creators can promote products or services on their channel and earn a commission on any sales made through their unique affiliate link. To monetize your YouTube channel, you'll need to meet certain eligibility criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from your content.